Hello everybody. So today I come up with a video where you will learn how to create your own game. So we all play games. Playing computer game is actually a great way to challenge yourself, and some people even do it professionally. So today in this video we will go through the thought process required for creating your own game. We will also learn how to integrate your diverse programming functional and fun computer game. So here you will learn how to program the classic Tic-Tac-Toe games logic using Python. We will create the graphics using the Tkinter toolkit and then gonna integrate the game's logic and GUI into a fully functional computer game. So this is the code for GUI purpose. We are using Tkinter library. We have imported the libraries and made the GUI and the logic to create the tic-tac-toe game. Now let's run it. Now let's run it. Yes. Once we have run it, so you can see the GUI. In this GUI, this is a basically a tic-tac-toe game program. We have three but we have you can see that there is a button like which is called this is player one turn, and there is a button called restart where when we're gonna click it, it is gonna restart the game again. And here we can see the result. Okay, so first is here it is giving us the message where player one is turned. Let's say player one is cross, so let's play. Okay, player one has put that's done his turn and put it the cross. Now player two is turn. Let's play zero here. Yeah, now again player one, let's see here. Now player two, let's see here. Player one here, let's see player two here. Okay, you can see that player two is winner. It is giving us the message winner is player two because you can see the diagonal connection here. So player two. So it has three results where player one can win, player two can win, and the match can be draw. Okay, so here we have created a game very simply by putting the logic. So for this project, it's a very simple project. My goal is to with this project is to create a tic-tac-toe game in Python, and for the gaming interface, we are using Tkinter GUI, which comes in the standard Python installation as an included battery. This game is basically for two players. One is X and another is O, where player takes turn placing their marks on a grid by 3 by 3 cells. If a given player gets three marks in a row horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, then the player wins, as we have seen it here. Here, the game board will work as a mix between view and controller in a model view controller design, where we can see that. And for the board, we are using the Tkinter window, which we can create by instantiating the Tkinter.tk class. Uh, it has basically two main components: top display and grid of cells. So by this GUI, you can create another games also like Snake and other. So this is just to show you how you can create your own game with the logic with the help of Tkinter GUI. Thank you.